Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. We just got our son a new Galaxy Tab A8, the 10.5 one, and as you know, we needed a case to protect this new tablet. So we got this one, this black one by ZtotopCase. So it has all the notches in the correct places. It was super easy to put on, just a couple clicks. There's a nice kickstand when he needs it to be set up. Here is the corners with the extra protection. I also appreciate the extra flap over the charging, because with kids these can get really dirty, so this kind of protects it when it's not charging from getting so dirty. Has nice cutouts for the speakers so you hear well. The volume and the power button are actual buttons, so they are really easy to use. If you are needing to protect your Galaxy Tab A8, this one's super nice. His tablet is still fully intact, and that's our point of view.